Hey guys, it's me Jeff. So today we're gonna change the CVT fluid on this car, and I bought this CVT fluid on the dealership. For my experience, this is the best CVT fluid for this car. So stay tuned, we're gonna change it right now. Make sure when you're gonna jack it, it's leveled. But on my car, since it's lifted, I don't need to jack it. So I'm just gonna crawl underneath and unbolt the drain plug. So I'm gonna go there right now. So we're gonna put this pan over here. So we're gonna unbolt this. So we're gonna use the wrench to unbolt this one. Okay, once you lose it, just remove that bolt and let it flow. So it takes like a couple of minutes to fully drain that, so we're just gonna have to wait for it. So once drained out, we're gonna put this back on and we're gonna tighten that. Let me just move this a little. So as you can see, you see some oil here. I just recently changed the seal there. So if you want to watch how to replace the seal, I got a video for that, so I'm gonna leave the description for the link. So okay, so that's tight. Now next one, we're gonna unbolt this one with a 70mm wrench. So I got my 70mm wrench. As you can see, I tapped the transmission temp sensor here on the bolt, so I just drilled it something just in case you're asking what is that. So we can unbolt this. Alright, and now that's loose. Yeah, take that out so we can fill the fluid over here. Remove all the way. Alright, now we're going up, and then we're gonna tap the hose in here with the funnel. So let's go up there. So we're gonna put this funnel, and especially with the hose, on the fill hole. It's gonna be right over there, the one you take the bolts. Okay, so make sure the fluid you're gonna put is for the transmission, because there's like two automatic transmission, one for the regular transmission and one for the CVT transmission. So you're gonna get the CVT transmission, and it's a HCF2. About this on Honda dealership, so it's better this one than the other brand. So we're gonna pour that one there. Let me just open this up. Okay, let it pour. Make sure it's not leaking under there. Once it starts dripping, it means that's enough and you're good. So usually it take like 3 bottles of the CVT fluid. So let me pour the last one. Okay, so that's enough. So we have enough fluid in there. After that, we're gonna remove the hose and we're gonna put the bolt back. Alright, and then we're gonna tighten that. Okay, not too tight. You won't strip because this one is aluminum. So after that, that's it. Just wipe it up, clean it up, and you're pretty much done. So we're gonna start the car and we're gonna change all the gears. So so to circulate the fluid on the new transmission fluid. So we're gonna put in reverse. 1 2 3 4 5. Neutral. 1 2 3 4 5. Drive. 1 2 3 4 5. And then sports. 1 2 3 4 5. And low gear. 1 2 3 4 5. And then after that, put in the parking brake, and that's it. So it's pretty easy though. Instead, if you're going to dealership, they're gonna charge you like $200 for changing the CVT transmission. But if you're gonna do it by yourself, it takes like how much is this? $11.55. So it's gonna be like $35 for the 3 bottle, and pretty much it takes like 10 minutes to do or less. It depends on you. So next time you want to change your CVT transmission fluid, you can do it yourself. So don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys.